Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Zabzon. In this video I will tell you how you can summarize and how you can add all the columns by one click. There is two methods in this video. First method is you can add all the numbers of the subjects in one column by clicking equal sign and type sum and select all numbers. You can see by doing this all the columns are summarized and some of the values are added into the column number 1. This is the method. You can use the equal sign and sum formula in the Excel, but there is also a very shortcut method. You can use it by clicking simple one click. How can I summarize all these columns by one click? There is very short method. You will click complete table and just press Alt and plus. I have pressed Alt plus Alt with plus sign. Then this is completely converted all the values into column number 1, and these are the values, that is the sum of the previous columns. So this is a very shortcut method. You can also utilize in your job, in your offices, that by clicking one click Alt and plus sign, plus button, all the values that is present in their columns are summarized and sum up into the next column, column number 1. Don't forget to share with your friends. So please subscribe, like and comment on it. Take care.